Learn how to make coconut chia pudding. This coconut chia pudding is healthy and easy to make and is loaded with coconut flavor. You only need a handful of ingredients and a bowl to make this recipe. It's made with coconut milk, honey, chia seeds, pure vanilla extract, and fresh fruit. Ingredients: 1 14-ounce can light coconut milk, 5 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 tablespoon honey. Use maple syrup to make vegan, 1/2 teaspoon pure vanilla extract, tiny pinch kosher salt. Toppings of choice: fresh fruit, jam, and nuts. Instructions: 1. In a medium mixing bowl or large liquid measuring cup, stir together the coconut milk, chia seeds, maple syrup, vanilla, and salt so that the chia seeds are evenly distributed throughout. I find a fork works well for this. Cover and refrigerate overnight. If you think of it, give the mixture one more stir before bed. If you forget, don't stress over it. 2. In the morning, stir once more to evenly combine the seeds throughout. Taste and add more maple syrup if you'd like it a bit sweeter. Portion into your bowl, then add toppings of choice. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.